Nice kitty. Interloper. She's good. She's really, really good. What a waste. Current date time, end date time, temporal power displacement button. A time machine? You don't think? Oh, it couldn't. Hey, why not? I go back 15 minutes to before I got to the museum and steal the artifact before that other thief even gets there. Good. She hasn't gotten here yet. Now... Oh, no, you don't. This is mine. She's good. Well, maybe not as good as she thinks she is, huh? What a waste. What a waste. A time machine? Hey, why not? I go back 15 minutes to before I got to the museum and steal the artifact before that other thief even gets there. I was right. She is good. But there's only room in this town for one of us.